Hello all, welcome. We'd like to introduce you to this brand new Bluetooth selfie stick. It is fantastic because it has a remote that can be removed from the stick and used to take pictures and videos. Taking pictures, and it also can be used to take videos. Fantastic. It also has the phone holder that can be tilted in any angle. And it has that fantastic selfie stick stand that can be used, or you can remove it and hold the selfie stick with your hand. If you're interested, please contact one of the agents in Ghana. Thank you.